Hi everyone, this is Jagdish Kumaran Jayagopal. So this presentation includes my data analysis and recommendations to the company DogNation. DogNation is a company which helps dog owners to know more about their dogs through a series of tests which are supported by scientists. Okay. Our objective here is to increase the number of DogNation tests completed by the users by 5% in the next 3 months. And the recommendations are number one, modify eye contact game and foot pointing game. Number two, establish email marketing campaigns right at the maximum traffic times of the users. And the third point is explore the potential market in Canada. Okay. To support our first recommendation, modifying eye contact game and foot pointing game, we see the graph here, so which has the tests on the x-axis and the number of records on the y-axis. And the tests belong to a particular category, and DogNation has designed the tests in such a way that they finish one category and move on to the next category. Okay, so here even the tests are ranked in the order DogNation has asked the users to take it. So they start with a yawn warm-up game and they go on to complete the 45 tests. So here I see a trend where between eye contact game and the treat warm-up game for both free and no free start users, there's a big drop after the eye contact game. It might be due to various reasons, but the suggestion I would give is to modify the eye contact game in some way or the other so that it becomes more interactive and people tend to move to the next category and start taking more tests, so that you don't here you see that you have from 6.438% of the total users, you drop down to 5.193. Same thing happens even if the free start users from 3110, they drop down to 1584, which is like almost half of them. Same thing happens with the foot pointing game also. After foot pointing game, like with 8342, suddenly it drops down to 7000. And same thing happens here, the free start. From 1340, it drops down to 449. So there is some alarming signal that these two games have to be modified, and to make sure that you don't lose the customers. Let's move on to the next suggestion, which to establish the email marketing campaign at the right time. The right time would be the time where the maximum number of users are using the website. So when you see the graphs here, the first graph shows the number of users along the weekdays. So we see that most number of users are using the website on the Sunday, and the next Monday, and the next one is the Saturday. Okay, let's see and at which hour of the day that they are using the website the maximum number of times. So when all the days are selected here, you see that it shows 7 p.m. and it stays the same from Sunday to Friday. But on Saturday, the max the hour at which the maximum number of users are available differs. So which is what I observed. I'm going to show it to you guys. So 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. were the two times on Saturday that the most number of users were available on Saturday. But for all other days, it was 7 p.m. So what I would recommend is for DogNation to send email marketing campaigns to customers on Saturday at 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. and for all other days at 7 p.m., so that they attract the most attention of the users. Okay, and our final suggestion is to explore the potential market in Canada. So you see here, I took a graph between median total tests completed and the two countries, US and Canada, where the maximum number of users are there, and I found that the median is 11 for both the countries. So then going into in deeper level, you see here you have all the states of Canada and the median and the total tests completed. You see that almost all of the states in Canada except two have median of 11 and above, and they have a very good median, and they have a very good potential that you can increase the number of users over there. So I would recommend Dognition to invest in market research in Canada. Okay. Concluding, our goal is to increase the number of Dognition tests completed by the users by 5% in the next 3 months. And our process improvement suggestions are modify eye contact game and foot pointing game, establish email marketing campaigns right at the maximum traffic times of the users, and explore the potential market in Canada. I wish the best for Dognition team. Thank you.